All right, we got 5 minutes left. Here's one of our militiamen. There's another one. And they managed in the first two games. First game, they got these, which are nuclear triggers. In the second game, they got the uranium. In the third game, they retrieved, or in the second game, they also retrieved the detonator. As you can see, it's all hooked up. And at the end of the match, boom. They have to guard it for another 5 minutes. Let's see if they can do it. And do it, and do it. And come around and do it.
Is that motion censored?
No, it's not like that. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful.
How much for the G&G mid-cap? Give me 1 second, I'll tell you.
So you got to beat that 808, that boom boom in your town. Oh, there's some red. Red has the entire north field right now. Blue is trying to take over the British Embassy. This is the British Embassy.
Let's say $6.
Doing work.
All sales are final. If he buys it and it doesn't work, that's too bad.
See, blue is trying to flank. Players hit, let him out. Either medic or the Westfield, yeah.
Do we have a medic?
Yeah, y'all. No, y'all didn't have a medic. Westfield, yeah, it's Westfield. Even though it's unlimited lives. How about this? I'll give you the cone at the pond.
Sweet.
Cone at the pond. That's what you do when you're a game master. Let him out, let him out. Now don't hold your hand up.
Did he buy the mag? Nope. Okay, good. Why? The G&Gs are the new ones, right? In the box?
Players hit, let him up.
Yes. Okay, well,
Behind the mound, let him up.
It's going to cost a little bit more, maybe like 7 or 8. Okay.
Come on out if you're out.
I forgot that those were the new ones.
I called him off of you. So they are trying hard to push up this flank. There's another blue. So it looks like we got a couple of blue pushing up on half of the... We got to beat that 808, that boom boom in your time. Yes, sir. I have to... Oh! And there you have it. The nuclear bomb has been detonated in the British Embassy. Conrad Knox has proven that South Africa, whether or not, if you try to stop them from liberating themselves, they are going to blow anybody up that they can.